Hi everyone, it's Elliot Martins here at Porsche Centre Vaughan, and I'd like to introduce you to our E1 Cayenne. You're looking at our 2005 Cayenne Turbo, which we imported from Japan. Japan has a very clean Cayenne market, given the road conditions aren't as severe as Canada. So underneath, the vehicle is extremely clean, no rust, and very good mileage. Has about 62,000 kilometers on it. Our Cayenne was inspired by this. Car sitting on my desk for the last 4 years, which was the Fire Brigade Gen 1 Cayenne for the Leipzig Experience Center. And I always thought it'd be cool to replicate that model car as a roadside assistance car for the dealership. We added in the off-road wheels that Porsche supplies, the OEM mud flaps on it to keep it somewhat OEM plus. And we were able to source out a OEM Trans-Siberia roof rack light. We put in the Porsche PCCM Plus, which is probably one of the most important options that we did to the car. Very capable car, and we will definitely be using it day to day at the dealership here at Porsche Centre Vaughan.